Okay, let's read this question. Kim bought a scooter for £1,600 on 1st of January 2010. Every year, the value of the scooter depreciates by 8% of its value at the start of the year. Find the value of the scooter on 1st January 2012. Here we've got quite a few pieces of information. One word, unusual, depreciation. If something depreciates, it goes down in value by 8%. We can see that we've got 2012, 2010, which means it goes down in value over 2 years. We know that the original amount, £1,600, is worth 100%. If it goes down by 8%, that means that each year we are left with 92% of the original value. This, as a multiplier, is 0.92. So let's work out how much it's worth after year one. So we've got £1,600 multiplied by 0.92, and we can do that on the calculator, which gives us a value of £1,472. But we know that it's for 2 years, so year 2 we start with £1,472 times 0.92, which gives us a value of the scooter of £1,354.24. Some people often find 8% and then double it. So 8% equals 1,600 multiplied by 0.08 gives us a value of £128. Even though it does lose £128 after 1 year, it is not £128 times 2, which is 256, which is what some people think. Depreciation means it loses the value at the start of each of the years. So it's 8% at the start of each year. Mr. Jones's electricity quarterly statement from Welsh Energy shown below. Some of the entries have been removed. He pays for his electricity by monthly direct debits. He has a discount of £27.50 for paying by direct debit. Use the information on the statement to complete all of the missing entries and to calculate the balance. So let's study this further. Meter reading last time, meter reading this time. So that's what it was at the start, that's what it was at the end. This entry here is about how many units he has used. So that means we have to find the difference between those two meter readings. We'll see that this number is in pence. He gets charged 26.5 pence per unit, and this section of the bill is in pounds. So our first calculation is to work out how many units he has used. So that's the difference between 4,921 take away 4,267. It's a calculator question, so you can enter those numbers into the calculator, which means he has used 654 units. So I enter that here. Okay, now we will work out how much he's been charged for those units that he's used, and we know that he gets charged 26 pence 26.5 pence per unit. So 654 multiplied by 26.5 pence, which leaves us with 17,331 pence. However, this column means it has to be converted into pounds, so I need to work out 17,331 pence. I divide it by 100 because 100 pennies equal a pound, and that will give me a total of £173 31 pence, and I shall enter that £171 73 rather 31 pence. Quarterly charge, so that means I have to add on the quarterly charge, which means I have now got a bill of £203.76. VAT at 5% of the total charge means that I need to find 5%, so £203.76 multiplied by 0.05 as a multiplier equals £10.18, so I will put that on like that. Credit from the previous quarter, so before means I've already paid that, and I've got to take that off the total of £203.76 and £10.18, which leaves me with £171.58. These are all payments that I've already made, so I have to subtract each of those from 171.58. That leaves me with £20.91 in credit.